In this clip, we're going to remove our valve cover mounting bolts and remove the cover as well. You're going to want to locate all of your bolts before you start taking any out. As you can see, we do have an oddball bolt right here, top center. If your valve cover happens to have what looks like a detachable cover or nameplate, for example, if Ford or this dual overhead cam 16 valve fuel injection is on a plastic plate, you're going to want to pop that off and look under it because there may be a hidden screw. What I have here is my preferred tool for this job, typical mechanic speed wrench. I'm going to go ahead and zip our bolts out. You're going to want to pay attention to each individual bolt and make sure the ones that are different length go back in their corresponding location. There's no particular pattern when removing the valve cover. Okay, to get all the bolts out, it may take a little finagling to get your valve cover out. What? There you go.